guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm sharing one makeup kit for you. This makeup kit is for beginners. So if you are new to makeup and you are trying to build your makeup kit, this video is going to be really helpful for you. I know it can be really confusing in the starting, what to buy, what not to buy, since there are so many products and there are so many brands. So today I'm sharing a makeup kit with you which has everything you need to start your makeup journey. I tried to keep it as affordable as possible, keeping in mind the quality of the product. I'll give you some options as well for each product. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have not included primer in this video. If you want to use a primer, you can go with aloe vera gel. Because जो aloe vera gel की consistency होती है, it's quite near to silicone. It will help to blur out your pores and it can also work as a very good base. Next, you need a foundation to achieve a perfect base. For that, I'm giving you two options. Like for everyday use, you don't want something which gives you a high coverage. You want something which is very light and gives you a natural look, easy to apply also. So I will recommend the CC cream from Lakme. It's very light on skin and it gives a very natural finish. The only problem with these kind of CC cream and BB creams are there are not so many shades to choose from. I'm in the shade beige, so you can choose whatever suits your skin tone. For special occasions, I will recommend this foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte-Poreless foundation. I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff, so people with my skin tone can go with this. This foundation is for normal to oily skin people. It gives you a semi-matte finish, but people with dry skin can also use it. You just need to apply a good moisturizer on your face before using this foundation. It's not a full coverage foundation, it gives you a medium to high coverage. It will stay on your face for some 5 to 6 hours. It comes in so many shades, so you will definitely find a shade for you. It's very affordable and availability of this foundation is also very good. You can easily find it online and in offline stores as well. Next, for concealer, I have two options. First one is this concealer from LA Girl. It's LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. It's a full coverage concealer. It gives you a HD airbrush like finish. Under eyes look so amazing after applying this concealer. It has a very good color range, so you will definitely find a shade for yourself. It's very affordable and you can easily find this online. Other option for concealer is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It comes with a very nice applicator, so it's very easy to apply this concealer under your eyes. It has a very nice creamy texture, so you need some mattifying powder to set this concealer. It has orange tint to it, so it will correct and conceal your under eyes. It gives medium to high coverage. Again, it's very affordable and it's easily available online and offline. Next, for powder, I have two options. First one is this Loreal Mat Magique powder. I'm in the shade G1. It's a mattifying powder and it will control your oils very well. It has a good pigmentation and it will give you medium coverage. It blends very easily and gives you a natural finish. Next option is this face powder from Rimmel. It's a Rimmel Stay Matte Compact Powder. Again, this is also a mattifying powder and it will absorb all the oil on your face. It gives you a very nice coverage. The only problem is this is UK based product, so they don't have many powders with yellow undertone which goes well with Indian skin. So if you find your shade in this, that's very good for you. For contouring, I will recommend this Maybelline V-face Blush Contour Palette. So you get one contour shade here and two blush shade here. It comes with a brush. You can use this to apply contour. It has a very good pigmentation and it blends very easily. Again, it's very affordable and since it's Maybelline, it's easily available. Another option, I have this palette from Sivana. It's a Sivana Color Ultra Blush Palette. So you get 6 blush shades, 1 contour shade and 1 highlighting shade in this palette. So there are 4 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. It also has a very nice pigmentation and it blends very easily on your face. For highlighter, I would recommend this highlighter from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. It's in the shade Molten Gold. It has a very nice pigmentation. I think it will work for all kind of skin tones. It's really affordable and again, it's easily available. Now let's talk about eyes. For eyeshadow, I would recommend this Maybelline the Nudes palette. It has all the nude shades. You are getting matte shades and shimmer shades as well in this. Next option is this eyeshadow palette from Sivana. It's in the shade pink. So you're getting 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades in this. This is also really affordable and easily available. So next product what you need in your kit is one Kajal and one eyeliner. I love to use Kajal and eyeliner because it really enhances your look. So for Kajal I have 2 options. First one is this Kajal from Plum. It's very creamy, it's highly pigmented and it lasts for a very long time. It comes with its own sharpener. Next is this Kajal from Nykaa. It's Nykaa Eyemblack Kajal. This also is very creamy. It has a very nice pigmentation and it will last for a very long time. This also comes with its own sharpener. For liner, I will recommend this pen liner from Colorbar. It's Colorbar Ultimate Eyeliner. It comes with a tip like this. You can easily apply the eyeliner with this kind of pen eyeliners because it gives you more control. जो liquid liners आते हैं उनको use करना थोड़ा difficult होता है starting में because you won't have much control on the application. But with this kind of pens, you can apply the eyeliner very easily. Next, I would recommend you to buy a brow product. People generally skip this. They don't understand the power of good looking eyebrows. It actually brings your whole look together. So for that, I would recommend this pencil from Wet n Wild. It's Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Eyebrow Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and pencil on the other end. It's very easy to apply because of its shape. It's not too waxy, it's very creamy and smooth. It comes in a retractable form, so which is also very good. Next, you need a good mascara. For that, I'll recommend this mascara from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It will give you a very nice curl and lift to your lashes. The wand of this mascara is also very good. It's of perfect size. It's not very big or not very small. It comes in both washable and waterproof form, but if you want to use it for daily, I would recommend you to buy washable form. Next, for lipstick, I am giving you 2 very affordable options. If you like liquid lipstick, I would recommend this lipstick from Miss Clear. It's Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's a perfect dupe for NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's really affordable and it's available on Nykaa and on other Instagram stores as well. Next, if you like bullet lipstick, I would recommend this lipstick from Wet n Wild. This also has a very nice pigmentation. I am wearing this lipstick on my lips right now. It has a very nice color range. It's really affordable and it's available on Nykaa. So guys, that's all you need to build your makeup kit. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful for you. Let me know in the comment box if you want me to share some affordable brushes also for you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon next to subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.